Welcome to Out of Focus, another day, another story. Hi everyone, it's great to have you here today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make a good result. Whether it's a school project, a work assignment, or any other task that requires your effort, you want to make sure you get the best possible outcome. So, let's dive in. Set a clear goal. The first step to achieving a good result is to set a clear goal. You need to know exactly what you want to achieve and what success looks like. This will help you focus your efforts and prioritize your tasks. When setting your goal, make sure it's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is what is commonly known as the SMART criteria. Plan your approach. Once you have a clear goal in mind, the next step is to plan your approach. Break down your goal into smaller tasks, and determine what needs to be done to achieve each one. Set deadlines for each task to help you stay on track. You should also consider any potential obstacles that may arise and come up with a plan to overcome them. Work smart, not hard. Working hard is important, but working smart is even more important. This means being efficient and effective with your time and resources. For example, if you have a lot of research to do, focus on finding the most relevant sources rather than spending hours going down rabbit holes. Use tools and technology to help you streamline your work and automate repetitive tasks. Seek feedback. Getting feedback is crucial to achieving a good result. Share your work with others, whether it's a teacher, a colleague, or a friend. Ask for their honest feedback and be open to constructive criticism. Use this feedback to improve your work and make any necessary adjustments. Reflect and iterate. Finally, reflect on your work and iterate. Take some time to look back at what you've done and identify what worked well and what didn't. Think about what you could have done differently or better. Use this information to make improvements for next time. Conclusion. So, there you have it. These are some of the key steps to making a good result. Remember to set a clear goal, plan your approach, work smart, seek feedback, and reflect and iterate. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving success in any task you take on. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.